Okay, hello. So, is your Audi display this error? Left brake light. Come on. Right brake light. Come on. Faster, man. Right rear fog light. And then and also left fog light. Okay. Then also reversing light, left reversing light, and then right reversing light. Okay, if you already display these errors and you want to solve it, you want to disable it, you need to have two things first. The thing is, you need to have the VCDS cable, which mine is actually a pirated one, a cracked one. Okay, same goes to the software, which is the cracked one. Now, after you got those two, and then you need to then you need to follow this procedure. Okay, but three main things you need to know. There are three lights I disabled here, which is the reversing light, brake light, and then fog lights. If you got three of these, you can follow right through. But if you have only one of these, you need to, later I will give you the codes. But for the general procedure, you need to go to the VCDS software. Okay, and then go to the select control module. Okay, and then go to the wait, I check it first. Instrument, I think it's instrument coding. Nope. And then you go to the central electric. Okay, first of all, okay, I repeat, go to the select control module, then go to the central electric. Just wait for it. Go to the coding, long coding helper. Go to the byte. Go to the byte 14. For my case is byte 14, and you need to search for all of this, for this load monitoring, blah 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 blah. Okay, and then just unselect all of them. Unselect, and after you unselect, let's say wait. Okay, let's say you unselect them. Let's go to the byte 14 again. Then let's say you unselect them. Unselect. Then you just need to click the X. Okay, and then you just type do it. Okay, then coding accepted and okay. Press OK. Second, okay, you need to go to the central convenience. Just wait for it, and then go to the secret access and input 16017. Press enter. After that, you go to the adaptation, and then you need to go to the channel 181. Okay, so yours might be displaying the same value as mine, 65535, which means what 65535 means is it is turned on. This is binary, we call it is as binary. So 11111111111111 means it is all turned on. Okay, there are two solutions for this. Three. Okay, so if you got three warnings, which is the brake lights, the fog lights, and then the reversing lights, the first step, the first method will be just type it 0. Okay, just type it 0 here. Wait a minute, we got problems here. I think Okay, we redo it again. Wait for it. Security access 16017. Do it. Adaptation 181. Then as I said just now, just put it to 0. Save. Yes. Okay, after that you need to restart your car. Pull out the key. Okay, wait for the water pump settle. I don't know it's water pump or fuel pump, but after that, after several seconds, then you push it back and then you test it back. There's no fog lights. If you press brake, there's no brake lights. I mean brake lights warning. If you go to the reverse, there's no this is my parking sensor problem, but the important thing is there's no reversing light warning. Okay, so this is the first step. This is the first method, but it is not recommended because if you turn all it off, okay, we don't know what else you turned off accidentally. Maybe let's say water pump, I don't know man, water pump, or let's say other important sensors, so you don't want it to be turned off, right? So the thing is, if you confident, you really are confident, you can put 0 values inside it. But if you are afraid that you might turning something important off, so you need to find the specific bit for brake lights, fog lights, or reversing light. Okay, so I've been doing this for maybe 2 weeks now. So this is the reverse engineering method. So I just test it one by one, bit by bit, and I got 62463 for reversing light called diagnostic. Okay, let's say we turn it all on, back on 65535. Let's say we turn it back, okay, all on, all are turned on, and then we can you can see there's left brake light, blah blah blah, all the lights will be turned on, all the warning will be turned on, right? So brake light, rear fog light, and then blah blah blah, you know. So let's say if you got reversing light, because right here there will be reversing light if you go to the reverse gear. Okay, there'll be left reversing light and right reversing light warning, right? So if you only want to only have left reversing light and right reversing light warning, you can input this 62463. Save. Yes. Okay, then you just turn off your car, pull out pull out the key, wait for several seconds, and then input it back. So now your reversing light warning will be turned off. Okay, this one is right brake light, because I also got issues with my brake light. And then yeah, there's no reversing light warning. See, there's no reversing light warning. Okay, so if you want to remove your reversing light, you need to go 62463, input 62463. But if you got issues with fog light, okay, you need to input 64767. So let's test it up. Read what, come again, 64767. Okay, save. Yes, pull out, 1 2 3 go. Okay, if I turned on this, usually it will pop up, the arrow will be pop up. Left brake light, yes, of course, because we didn't disable it. Right brake light, of course. Just that's the only error that appears. So there's no fog lights. Okay, so fog light settled. Okay, time for the brake light. For the brake light, in my case, I got two pairs of brake light, so we need to disable two pairs, which means for two pairs it's like four bits. Okay, so 4 bits, which is 0 1 2 3, which is 0 1 2 3. This binary needs to be 0. Okay, so if we convert it to 0, then the decimal will be, wait, I calculate it for you. So the value will be like this: 65535 minus 15. 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8, so 65520. Let's test it lah. Okay, because I just calculated without calculator. Need to input this again. Okay, adaptation 181 channel 65520 test. Save. Oh, sorry. Yes. Remove the key. 1 2 3 go. Then should be fog lights will be appeared, but brake lights will not. If I press the brake, yeah, the brake lights didn't appear. So if you got issues with your brake lights only, you can type 65520, input this value 65520. Okay, but if you got 3 lights error warning, brake lights, fog lights, and then the third one is reverse light, so you need to input this 61584. Okay, read 61584, test, save, yes, cabut. Okay, then you can press the brake, there's no error. Turn on the fog lights, there's no error. Turn on the reverse, there's no error, except my stupid parking sensor. So that's how you fix it. Yay, hooray.